Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Snipping Tool. This app can open here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. So the very first step that you need to do is you need to proceed on the taskbar and aligning to that. You can see there the date and time that you have in your Windows. Just have to do a right click here and go with adjust date and time. Okay. And once you have adjusted, just have to turn off this set time automatically. Just have to turn it off. Okay. And the moment you have turned it off here, set the date and time manually will be appeared. Okay. Just have to go with changed. And you need to try to change your date here in your windows. Just have to try to adjust the date. Okay. And once you're good with adjusting the date and time, okay, as well as the time. Just go with changed. The moment you have the click on it, just have to close this window and then try to use your snipping tool. Okay, so let's try to use that. And if it's yes, that's it's now starting to work out. Okay, just have to save it here and paste it here at the paint. Adjust the picture that you have just snipped with, then go with file and then go with saved as. Then you can now select the picture format or the image format that you'd go with. You can go with PNG, GPG, BMP, or GIF. And there you have that. Just have to wait until you are being redirected to the location where you want the picture or the snippet to be saved. Okay, just have to click on save and there you have that. Okay. So that's it. Simply close this window and then you're good to go. Okay. So if you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.